Zone 6, what does it mean, zone? So zones are just to help you determine how hardy your plant is. So a zone is just how much cold a plant will take? Not exactly. The US, they just use average coldest temperature, but the Canadian zones are a little bit different. The Canadian zones take into account rainfall, the duration of the coldest temperature, and other environmental factors. So are the zones the same? Not exactly. If a USDA zone 6 would be a zone 7 in Canada, so you want to zone up. So is zone 1 the coldest or zone 10? Zone 1 is actually the coldest. So zone 1 would be something like northern Nunavut. And zone 10, it goes all the way up to, I think, 13, would be Arizona, parts of Hawaii, parts of Florida. So the smaller the number, the colder it can take. The higher the number, the more tropical it becomes. So then zone 6 would mean? So zone 6 would mean that it can take Halifax temperatures, parts of Toronto, and everything warmer up to Victoria and the lower mainland of BC. So if you want to learn more about planting zones, Google Government of Canada plant hardiness zones, and you will have a really cool searchable tool where you can look up the plant zones for your area.